this question is we've got a spring and it's got a mass on it, and it has a mass of 1.7 kilograms, and it stretches it 5.7 centimeters. Now what's pulling this down is gravity, so the force of gravity is equal to mg. So we can solve for mg because m is 1.7. And what you want to do is you want to find the constant, the spring constant. Remember, the force is also equal to k, and I'll say times y, since this right here is in the y direction, or change in y. So we know the force from this equation. You plug that in here, and then the y was 5.7 centimeters. I did convert that to meters, and then you can find the spring constant. Got it? And then you're going to then change it, right? What we then do is we do the system and we change the weight, same spring, but now we have a weight of 2.1 kilograms, so it's going to be stretched further. I should have drawn it further down like this. You know, it's actually further down because, there we do that, 2.1 kilograms. So it's going to stretch further because, of course, you have an additional weight. But now we know the spring constant from this question, right? And so if F equals K times Y, we're trying to find how long the stretch of the spring is. You're solving for Y, right? But the K we know here, but we also know the force because this weighs 2 grams or 2 kilograms, or so the force of gravity would be m times g. So once you know m and g, that goes here. And now instead of solving for k, you're solving for y.